Hey guys, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a Western Union transfer in 2026. If you want to cancel a Western Union transfer in 2026, here's the fastest way to do it. First, open the Western Union app or go to westernunion.com and log into your account. Once you're in, go to your transfer history. Find the transaction you want to cancel and tap on it to open the details. Now, check the status. If it still says in progress and the money hasn't been picked up or deposited yet, you may see a cancel transfer button. Tap it, then confirm the cancellation and choose your reason. After that, submit the request. If you don't see the cancel option, don't panic. This usually means that the transfer is already processed or not eligible anymore. In that case, you'll need to contact Western Union customer support directly, either through chat, phone, or the nearest agent location. Once your cancellation is approved, your refund will usually go back to your original payment method, but it can take a few business days. And that's it. Always act fast because timing is everything with money transfers.